Good morning, student. Myself, Dr. Lakshman Rathod. I am working as an associate professor in Department of Botany, Mahatma Phule ASC College, Panvel. I am delivering this lecture on plant anatomy, plant anatomy, that is tissue system in plants. Next. So first of all, we'll see the definition of plant anatomy. Plant anatomy means what? It is a branch of biology which concerned with the study of internal structure of plants, or simply way that the internal structure of plant is known as a plant anatomy, or it is also known as a phytoanatomy. Next. So what is the tissues? Tissue means what? A group of cells that are similar in structure and function. That is a tissue. Next. So here in the tissue system of plants, there are mainly consist of three types of tissue, such as epidermal tissue system, ground tissue, or it also known as a fundamental tissue, and third is a vascular tissue. These all are the tissue are present on the TS of root, TS of stem, and TS of leaves of angiospermic as well as gymnospermic plants. Next. So you can see these slides. First of all, epidermal tissue system in plants, or it is also known as a dermal tissue. So now, where is found the tissue? So dear students, you can see the figure. This is a figure. The tissue is present on the outer surface. Here, for example, the TS of leaves. Okay, on the TS of leaves, here, this is a outermost single layer. That is a epidermis. Next, another, they are present both sides, upper epidermis as well as lower epidermis. Okay, on the epidermis, cuticle, stroma are present. Now, first of all, what is the function of epidermis? Okay, so now we'll see here there are 7 type of function. So we will see the first function, that is the epidermis is a protective in nature. Okay, that covers the entire surface of plants. Then the epidermis protects the plant from infection and water loss. Then third type is it regulates the gas exchange of plant cell. Means what? Gas exchange. When the stomata are present above the epidermis, the role of the stomata, that is the exchange of the gas. Okay. Now fourth is there, the epidermis regulate the secretion of metabolic substances. Now fifth, the epidermis is in the changes of absorbing water and essential minerals. It protects against mechanical injuries and parasitic fungus. When the pathogens are attack on the leaf surface, then the epidermis it protect the pathogens. Okay, and last, they aids in the absorption of water by the root system. That is the main function of the epidermis. Next. So now we will see the second type of tissue, that is a ground tissue. So what is meant by ground tissue and where is present the ground tissue? The earlier slide we have seen a detail about epidermis. Okay, so where is present epidermis? They are present on the surface of the root, stem, and leaves. Now the second type of tissue, that is a ground tissue, it is also known as a fundamental tissue. They are present below the epidermis. Okay, below the epidermis. The ground tissue is also known as what? That is a cortex regions. Okay, the ground tissue is mainly consists of, or it is made up of three type of simple tissue, such as parenchyma. Second is a collenchyma here, collenchyma, and third is a sclerenchyma. Okay, so now we'll see the first parenchyma. So what is meant by parenchyma and where is present? They are present below the epidermis. Below the epidermis, the parenchyma, these are living cells. This is the living cell. The cells are thin cell wall involved in the photosynthesis, storage of nutrient, and other metabolic activities. Okay, so here because of here parenchyma is a living tissue. Then what about collenchyma? The cells of collenchyma with unevenly thickened cell walls that provide support and growing plant parts. That is second type of tissue. Now third tissue, that is sclerenchyma. It is a dead tissue. It is another simple tissue. Then the cells with thick rigid cell walls that provide support and strength to the plants. They may be involved in the transporting water and nutrient in some cases. Now, what is the main mechanism of all the simple tissue? See here, the ground tissue system is responsible for various internal functions, including storage, support, and photosynthesis. There is a mainly basic concept of plant tissue system in plants. Okay. Next. Now another most important tissue, third type of tissue, that is which are those third type of tissue? Vascular tissue system. Now where is present vascular system? They are present below the cortex. Okay. So that is a vascular tissue. So what are the type of vascular tissue? There are generally two types of vascular tissue, such as xylem, another is a phloem. Okay. So there is the two main components of vascular tissue present in the all anatomy, such as root, stem, and leaves. Okay. So now first we will see the xylem. So xylem, what is xylem? Xylem is a dead tissue. Okay. Next, another conduct the water mineral from the roots to the rest of the plants. Now it consists of tracheids, vessels elements which are dead cells with lignified walls. Now second type of tissue is phloem. It's the most important. It is a living tissue which are present in the below the cortex region. It will transport sugars produced during the photosynthesis because of it is a living tissue from the leaves to the other parts of the plants. It includes shoot tubes, element, and companion cells. So we have to see in detail types of phloem, types of xylem in remaining slides. Okay. So what is the function of vascular tissue? The vascular tissue is responsible for the transport of water, nutrients, and sugar through the plants. That is a simple basic concept of plant tissue in plant tissue system. Okay. So now in further next. Thank you. And further we will see in detail tomorrow. Thank you.